Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chiffon cake. First, gather all your ingredients like cake flour, sugar, eggs, and oil. It's crucial to have everything ready before you begin. Next, prepare your tube pan. Remember, it must be completely ungreased and unfloured for the cake to climb properly. Finally, carefully separate your egg whites and yolks into two separate, clean bowls, making sure no yolk gets into the whites. Now let's create the base batter. In the bowl with your egg yolks, whisk in the oil, water, and a touch of vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Then, sift your dry ingredients, such as cake flour and baking powder, directly into this yolk mixture. Gently fold everything together until it's just combined. Overmixing can develop gluten, which we want to avoid for a tender chiffon cake. The meringue is key to a light and airy chiffon cake. In your clean bowl of egg whites, add a pinch of cream of tartar. Beat them until soft peaks start to form. Then, gradually add your sugar, a little at a time, while continuing to beat. Keep beating until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape beautifully. This stable meringue will provide the lift and delicate texture we're looking for. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold about 1/3 of your stiff meringue into the yolk batter to lighten it. Then, carefully incorporate the remaining meringue in two separate additions, folding just until no streaks remain. Pour this delicate batter into your ungreased tube pan. Bake it until it's beautifully golden brown and springs back when lightly touched. Let it cool completely upside down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.